Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's video, we're going to show you how to properly rock a yard so that way the weeds and everything aren't growing up through it and you can actually have your yard stay rocked all year round, forever, whatever you want to do, but you'll never have to worry about doing it again. This is a previous job where we already installed the French drain to a dry well, downspouts out to the street, rocked her entire yard, and we are continuing to finish it off so that way the front of her house will look great. First off, what you want to do is you want to edge out the sides where the grass meets the concrete, so that way you have everything going up to it evenly, and then she can eventually add a border or something like that to make sure it all stays in there and make it look a little prettier and whatnot. But this is exactly what you have to do. Otherwise, if it's higher, it's just going to be rolling right onto the driveway, and nobody wants that. But this is what you have to do, prep first. Now, after you have it all prepped up, as you can see, we have edged it all completely out, all the way down. Sit here and then rake it all the way over to here. There was already kind of a slow depression here in the neighbor's yard. When his downspouts and water come off, they already come to this channel and come all the way down to the street. So now we're actually making this more defined, so that when we rock all this, the water will still be able to freely flow, but it'll be under the ground and you'll never see it. But this is what you have to do. Now, as you can see, he's grabbing a filter cloth. Now we're going to filter cloth it all. After you've had it set up, filter cloth the entire thing, so that way no weeds are going to be coming up anywhere. We have it all the way up to where the neighbor's border is. Have it folded under where we had stopped it before when we were doing the French drain and dry well. We just have to rock it all up. Next video, see the final product. And here's the final product right here. Another job well done by Stafford Park Drainage and Water Solutions LLC. Anybody in the Manahawkin area of New Jersey, give us a call. This is what it looks like now. The homeowner also had some more river rock, so we went ahead and put that as a border right there for her. And now it all matches up to everything else we've done. Our whole left side of our house, just a beautiful rock garden. No more water issues, and she is extremely happy. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, as it always helps the channel out greatly. And until the next one.